Hello and welcome guys to our channel Quick Guide. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own sound in TikTok. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button so you will be updated with our latest videos in upcoming days. So now let's get started. First, we need to open the app TikTok. So let's open it and okay.
Type the
Now
text according.
go to the option profile, and then you can start recording a new video for it. So let's, and then when you're done, click on the option add sound at the top of the screen. So you can click on the option continue and then tap on the sound, add sound. Now you have the favorites, recommended, and then go to the option my sound at the right hand side of the screen, and it will open the sounds available in your phone device. So just click one of the sound and then click on the option tick mark. Then now you have this sound set for the TikTok, and once you are done, click on the option next. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you again in another episode of TikTok. Until then, have a great day.